Happy December 6th. Let's see what Jack has in store for me today. Let's see. It must be a very thin piece of paper because I can't fill it. Okay, yes. So it's just a couple package stickers. Cute. That right there. And then the popcorn. 6. Where is 21, 14, 24, 6. Oh my goodness. I have to put this on the ground. There we go. And today is classic caramel. Oh, I think we've already had classic caramel. You see, so we ate the popcorn the first 3 days. Now we're like, yeah, not that impressed. All right, 6. Where is the 6? 22, 9, 6. And this one, ooh, I have not had this one before. A fudge. Okay, try that in a minute. Hallmark, look at that cute little puppy. And then my favorite Belgian chocolate. Where are you? Door number 6, right here. And that is a beautiful white chocolate Christmas tree. I'll definitely eat that right now. I'll show this in a minute. And of course, I talk too much for these Insta stories. I keep getting cut off. Anyway, my husband's in the middle of something right now. At lunch, I'll have him open his Christmas story. This is what the fudge looks like. All right, here we go. I think it's that one right there.
Oh, finally.
We did get a dog. Yay!
A Bumpus Hound. Finally.
Yay.
The holy grail.
I was worried we weren't going to get one because of these pop-ups on the front of the yard, but let me see. Oh, yay.
He wants that duck.
That's a very nice looking. Would you say Bumpus?
Yeah, Bumpus.
Bumpus Hound. All right. 6 days down. December's flying by. Yay? No?
Right.
Robert's like, it's a Monday. Don't ask me questions.
Pretty much.
Good morning. Happy December 7th. It's a little dark outside. We have a 10% chance of snow. I don't think it's going to happen, but that would be cool. Let's see. Nice little black cat. And is that it in that one? Yes. So a little booklet that says Botanical Guide. So that's probably Sally's. And then it has witch hazel, mugwort, mandrake, and liverwort. That's cool. I actually have a little black Christmas tree, that desktop Christmas tree. I'm going to pull out and start putting those on. For the popcorn one, I kind of tore off some of the doors because I like the jokes. Not going to look at that one yet. Save it for Robert. This one is caramel white chocolate. Okay, that's new. I don't remember having a white chocolate. I'll leave that out. Got 3 over there I haven't taste tested because they just don't sound good. And then my favorite Cadbury, December 7th is right here. Oh, this is a new one. I'm not familiar with this one. What does it say? I just put in new contacts, so it's taking me a minute for my eyes to adjust. I don't know. What does that say? Eclair? And then the Hallmark. Oh, no one ate that yesterday. Surprise! It's a red chocolate. All right, as I'm doing my Insta story, my sister just texted me, I'm going to see Olivia Rodrigo on Friday. Do you want me to buy you a ticket? And I'm like, who's that? And then she just responded, do I live under a rock? I'm sorry, I don't know who Olivia Rodrigo is. Oh wait, Holly's just texting. She was nominated for 8 Grammys. Abby's favorite singer. Yes, I live under a rock. And I'm about to eat this chocolate reindeer. All right. Christmas story. Let me go grab my husband, and then I'll open that eclair and see how good it is. All right, correction to my story. Olivia is not going to be here on Friday. Holly's buying tickets on Friday. The concert is in April. So if you're in the St. Louis area and you know who I'm talking about, April 20th, tickets sell. I don't even know why I'm promoting this person. I don't know. I guess she's a Disney Channel star. I only mention it is because there's a new concert hall right next to Main Event, which is the arcade I go to a lot in Chesterfield. There's two outlet malls in Chesterfield, and one of them just did not do well. And so someone is taking over the whole area and trying to turn it into an entertainment district. So they built this huge concert hall. It looks pretty cool. And so I guess she's going to play there. Day number 7, Robert. It's that one. It's kind of skinny. Maybe it's going to be a leg lamp.
Maybe. Or the box, maybe.
Oh, yeah, that would be a good one. What is it?
I can't get it. I can't see it yet. I broke it.
You did break it. We'll pull out what... Maybe it just pops on. I'm sure it pops on, or did you break it?
No, it pops on.
What is it?
It's a very useful pole to put things on.
Seriously?
I don't know what the heck that is.
It's probably... I don't know.
It's not the flagpole.
I don't know what it is. Maybe it's a piece of another one that we have to open another day. That was lame.
I don't know what it is.
I don't know what it is either. All right, so for some reason we got a Festivus poll. Let's see what the popcorn joke is for the day.
I think it's time to air our grievances.
Air our grievances for sure. What is the popcorn's favorite game show? I don't know this one either.
Hold on. Give me a minute. I got it.
I've never heard of this game show. Go ahead.
The popcorn feud.
Popcorn feud, that's good. No. Crystal Maze, as in M-A-I-Z-E. I don't know what the crystal...
I don't know what they're talking about.
I don't know.
I have a feeling this is from another country.
This is definitely from another country. If you're from another country. Are you familiar with this game show? Good morning. Happy December 8th. I pulled out this black Christmas tree yesterday to start hanging all the little ornaments I've been getting in my Nightmare for Christmas calendar. I just noticed something does not belong here. I did not put that there. That's my husband messing with me. So a lot of people responded yesterday that they think this is the pole that the boy got his tongue stuck on. It could be, but there's like a hole right there. Something tells me this is like a piece for something else. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. But first, let's do the Advent Nightmare one. Just because I cannot see it doesn't mean I can't believe it. All right. These are little... Oh. All right, the popcorn. What day do we say today is? 8. Popcorn that, as you can see, we quit eating, but we'll still open. Strawberries and cream. Oh, I don't want to look at that joke yet. Save that for, don't look at the joke. I kind of tore the box apart. Let's see. Strawberries and cream. Add that to the pile. Wait, I'll leave it here. Robert likes to look at it, even if he's not going to eat it. All right. Cadbury. 8. Here it is right here. Ooh, this is, Carmelo. Okay, this is another one that is sold in the U.S. in big bar form. My second favorite candy bar is anything with caramel in it. So yeah, definitely going to eat this right away. And let's see. Predictable. Anyway, I got cut off again. I need to not talk as much. Bissingers, and now my favorite Belgian chocolates. It is a snowman. All right, and then I'm gonna go grab Robert and we'll do Christmas story. I do like that tree. I actually got that at Walmart at Thanksgiving. I don't know. No, not Thanksgiving, Halloween. It was a Halloween thing. All right, I hope everyone's having a wonderful December. All right, Time for Christmas story.
What do we got?
Oh, sorry. I'm
Big drawer.
totally in your way. Oh, it is. All right.
Is that Schwartz?
That's his. Don't pull on his tongue. You might pop his tongue off. All right, everyone who commented yesterday, you were right. So that little hole right there, his little tongue goes in there.
It's not tall enough, though.
I know, and
I mean, seriously.
still, it's a very small. And there's like the handle where you wrap the rope around it.
I know, people, but look at this thing. I'm not being a rude jerk or anything here.
Robert wants to be a toy designer. He could do a better
But
job.
okay, you stick it in there. How many flagpoles are like that short?
Hopefully there's a topper to that
We
flagpole.
might as well just put him in there too.
That does make the proportionate seem a little off when you put a huge, I don't know, what is this? Ostrich?
Ostrich.
All right, he don't go here.
Which scene does he belong in?
Coco?
I mean, the flagpole should be like that tall.
Yes, Robert. I'll write to the manufacturer for you.
I mean, it's stupid.
It's a toy. That's
Goose.
Robert has to rationalize everything. All right, popcorn joke of the day. Okay, I cut off the top. Did you hear about the cornstalk that changed careers? Honey, did you hear about the cornstalk that changed careers?
No, I did not.
He went into a different field. Come on.
Oh.
That was good. Okay, that was a terrible laugh. Terrible. That's a natural laugh right there. He's just too top heavy.
Yeah, but you gotta fix his feet. His feet are the problem.
He was standing up earlier.
He was, because I fixed him. See, there he is.
There he is. All right, that was a good joke, finally. Good morning. Happy December 9th. Let's see what we got today. Oh, looks like another two new ornaments. This time Jack and Sally. Those will go on that tree. And then the popcorn. The only saving grace about this is the jokes, because it's not really the popcorn. Strawberries and cream, 2 days in a row. We had strawberries and cream yesterday. All right, my favorite, the Cadbury. Where is 9? Right there. Fudge. I feel like I already had this one, but it was really, really good. All right, so I don't mind that repeat. Here we go. Surprise on that one. And then number 9. Here we go. And this one, I love the Cadbury, but I also love this. I don't know. Technically, we love them all, except for the popcorn. That's a little disappointing. So, Christmas tree, I'm going to eat that right now. Get Robert up in a minute. We got stuff to do today. We got to put grave flowers at the cemeteries. And then Andy's produce has a year-end sale, so I want to get some fruit. And that's our day. And do my normal eBay work. Time for a Christmas story. It looks like it's a little one right there.
Oh, the Christmas cell. Hey, kid. She's yelling at him.
Oh, that was one of the best parts. When she pushes him down the slide.
No, she
Or is it Santa who pushes him down the slide?
That. She's the one that gets in the kid's face. Hey, kid. There's a lot of people in line. She don't even stand? What the heck's wrong with her?
Yeah.
Maybe we need to put her on the ostrich.
Anyway, give it to me.
No, you give it to me.
Oh, you got it to stand.
Oh, there, I get this.
Okay, wait. It's the joke of the day.
Oh,
What does a baby corn call their dad? Oh, jeez.
Poppy?
No, try it one more time.
Pops?
One more time.
Pop?
Popcorn. Pop. Good morning. Happy December 10th. Let's see what this is. Oh, more gift tag stickers. And then here we go right here. Today is caramel white chocolate. I think we've had that. All right, that'll be a good one. I'm hungry. Oh, yeah. This is a good one. A cream egg. Yes, thank you. And there's the passenger. Let's see what my favorite chocolate is today. Ooh, another Santa Claus. Robert, are you ready for your I hope you couldn't hear that. All right, Mr. Grouch is ready for day 10.
Look at them.
Well, I'm pretty sure Ollie, the Catzilla, has something to do with that. Because he jumps up on this chair and walks right across from him. Push the chair in, maybe. Ooh, we know what's going to go in that box.
We sure do. Look at that. Fragile.
That's awesome.
Look at that.
It's amazing how it's bigger than the flagpole.
I know.
Oh, man. They got their proportion on point with this one. Very nice. I think we know what we're going to be getting soon. A major award.
Yes.
Wait. I got to cheer you up with the joke of the day.
There's no cheering me up.
All right, the joke of the day. What do you call a single solitary kernel of corn?
I don't know.
You have no idea?
No.
A unicorn. That's good. A unicorn. Ollie's like, or Sonny's like, I get it. Don't listen to her. She's already been fed.
It's not Sunny.
I know. It's Monkey. I'm sorry. I miss Sonny. Wrong cat.
She looks hungry.
Robert's such a sucker. She'll be fed 20 times a day.